Looks like Judge Lehman may be in trouble. Today, a legal memorandum that was filed by Brett Douglas McDowell is asking the court to remove Judge Lehman. And they are filing this on the grounds of Judge Lehman's financial interests, family connections, and overlapping industry affiliations. In the memorandum, McDowell says that Judge Lehman cannot be fair in this case because the judge has money invested in companies involved in the case. The judge's brother is a Hollywood director with connections to people and studios central to the dispute, and the judge used to work for companies like Disney and Warner Brothers tied to the people McDowell is concerned about. The document explains the bias and appearance of conflict. Judge Lehman owns or has owned stock in companies like Apple, Amazon, Disney, Lionsgate, and T-Mobile, therefore connected to Lively and Reynolds. His brother Doug Lehman is a director tied to similar Hollywood projects and people like Ryan Reynolds and Blake Lively. He did that Obama commercial with Blake Lively and Penn Badgley. He also is very close to Jake Gyllenhaal, who used to be very close to Ryan Reynolds. McDowell filed a request to join the case, raising indigenous civil rights and cultural appropriation concerns. The judge dismissed McDowell's concerns, framing them as being only about fictional characters such as Nice Pool and Dog Pool, instead of taking seriously the civil rights and symbolic harm McDowell described. McDowell alleges that companies and celebrities such as Ryan Reynolds, Blake Lively, Marvel, Apple, Lionsgate are part of a network of reputational control using media courts to suppress indigenous perspectives while profiting from indigenous themes and identities. So the call for recusal, aka the removal of Judge Lehman, is under 28 U.S.C. Judges must step down if their impartiality could be questioned. McDowell argues that due to financial ties, family relationships, and past work, Judge Lehman cannot oversee the case. It is about time. I have been waiting for this. News that Judge Lehman had some ties to Lively and Reynolds came out months ago. So I'm glad that they're finally taking steps towards hopefully removing this corrupt judge, alleged corrupt judge.